vidIQ makes over $100,000 per month, just by helping YouTubers write better titles and tags. So I asked myself, can I build something similar using only AI? This is what I built in just a few minutes using Trae AI, a free AI coding editor. And yes, it's kind of like Cursor, but totally free. Paste a YouTube link, click Generate. The app extracts the transcript and instantly gives you an SEO title, description, and tags, all AI powered. And the wild part? I built it with React, JavaScript, and Trae AI, which is completely free to use. I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, even if you don't code. Let's build this. I started by opening up a Word doc where I had all my commands and prompts ready. You can find the same file linked in the description below. First step, create a React project using this command, npx create React app AI SEO tools. Just paste that into your terminal and wait a minute while the project gets created. And done. The project is ready to go. Then I opened the project inside Trae AI. If you haven't heard of it, it's a free AI-powered coding IDE and an awesome alternative to Cursor. I went back to my Word doc, grabbed a full design plus functionality prompt, and switched to build mode inside Trae. I also changed the AI model to Claude 3.7 and hit Send. The prompt basically told Trae to build a modern web app called AI SEO tools, with a clean dark gradient UI, smooth animations, and glass morphism styling. It included everything: a fixed header with a logo and navigation links, a centered input where users can paste a YouTube URL, a glowing Generate button, sections for transcript, title, description, and tags, and, of course, the full backend logic. Extract video ID, fetch transcript, pass it to AI, then display optimized results. I gave Trae the full breakdown all in one go, and let the AI handle the heavy lifting. If you use Claude 3.7 a lot, you'll eventually see a message saying, "Too many current requests happens. Just be patient or switch models." A couple minutes later, it finished processing everything and gave me the command to start the app. I clicked Run, and boom, the app was live. Next step was the transcript feature. I copied my API prompt that connects to the YouTube Transcript API through Rapid API. Then I jumped over to Google, searched for Rapid API, and opened their official website. Once there, I clicked Sign In to log into my account. Or you can click Sign Up if you don't have one yet. After logging in, I searched for YouTube Transcript inside Rapid API, and the first result was exactly what I needed. I opened it up, found the correct endpoint, and hit Subscribe to activate it. From there, I copied the xRapid API key and xRapid API host, went back to my prompt in Trae, and replaced the placeholders with my actual credentials to make it all work. After updating the prompt with my Rapid API credentials, I clicked Send in Trae AI. While it processed the changes, here's what the prompt was doing. It sets up a backend function that extracts the video ID from a YouTube URL, calls the YouTube Transcript API, and returns the transcript. If there's no transcript, it shows a clean error message, all handled automatically by Trae. Now let's test the app. I copied a YouTube URL and clicked Generate. I got an error, so I copied the message and dropped it into Trae's chat to let the AI handle it. If you ever get stuck, just ask Trae. One of the coolest things about Trae AI is how it handles debugging. I simply copied the error message and pasted it into Trae's chat. Within seconds, it broke down what went wrong, explained it in plain language, and even proposed the code changes needed to fix it. You don't need to Google Stack Traces or Stack Overflow anymore, my guy. Trae does the heavy lifting for you. It gives you actionable solutions fast. It's like pair programming with an expert dev who never gets tired. To keep things smooth, I also switched over to the DeepSeek R1 model instead of Claude 3.7, since Claude sometimes hits a request queue if you're using it heavily. DeepSeek handled the fixes just as well, and everything kept flowing without interruption. After Trae finished updating the files and automatically restarted the app, I ran another test with the same YouTube URL. I pasted the YouTube URL again and clicked Generate to test the app one more time. This time, everything clicked into place. The transcript loaded perfectly, pulled straight from the video content in just seconds. No errors, no hiccups, just a clean, accurate transcript right there in the UI. Now, it was time to generate the actual YouTube SEO data. I copied another prompt to use OpenAI GPT 3.5 for generating titles, descriptions, and 15 SEO-friendly tags based on the transcript. I searched for OpenAI API key on Google and opened the official OpenAI website. Once there, I signed in, navigated to the API keys section, and clicked Create New Secret Key. I copied the generated key, dropped it into the prompt to replace the placeholder, and then clicked Send to let Trae AI handle the rest. After I clicked Send, Trae AI took a moment to process the changes. It was setting up everything in the background, connecting to the OpenAI API, updating the backend logic, and preparing the new functionality. Just give it a little time here and you'll see the updates roll in. Now Trae asked me to install the OpenAI library so it could interact with the GPT model. It even generated the exact terminal command for me. No guesswork needed. I just clicked Run directly in the editor, and Trae handled the entire setup in the background. Now the app is restarting, and we're about to see the final result. Everything's wired up. OpenAI is connected, the UI is ready, so let's test it out and see what this thing can really do. Now, with everything in place, I pasted in a YouTube video URL and clicked Generate. Within just a few seconds, the app went to work. It pulled the full transcript directly from the video, analyzed the content using OpenAI, and returned a clean, SEO-optimized title, description, and a list of 15 relevant tags. All generated automatically without writing a single line of manual logic for content creation. To make sure it wasn't just a one-time win, I ran another test with a completely different YouTube video. I copied the new URL, pasted it into the input field, and hit Generate again. Just like before, the app seamlessly extracted the transcript, analyzed the content, and returned another perfectly tailored SEO title, detailed description, and high-performing tags. And that's how I built an AI SEO tool like vidIQ in under 10 minutes, using React, OpenAI, and the free Trae AI IDE. If you're into AI builds like this, make sure to subscribe for more.